Have you ever gone back to like your motorcycle that's been sitting in the wintertime and you try to start it up and you forgot to put the trickle charger on it? Well, this is awesome, especially for RV storage, because a lot of times you don't have access to electricity. You can't put a trickle charge on it. So this is a solar panel 10-watt trickle charge, right? So you're going to hook this solar panel up and it's just going to sit in the sun and make sure that your battery is fully charged. I just got this because I'm in love with the idea that I don't have to plug in, that I don't have electricity where I'm at in my storage area. And so I can just take this. It comes with these little suction cups right here. If you had a window, like if I wanted to put it on the inside, if my batteries were on the inside, like even a boat or whatever, I could suction this to the window on the boat. So that might be a really good use case there as well. I don't really need these suction cups, but hey, it's a bonus add. Really simple, really easy to install this. You have two ways to power this up. You have a cigarette lighter adapter. So if you're in a car and you need to charge, you can charge through your cigarette lighter adapter or through solar. And that's what we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna hook this up through a solar panel so that it charges all day long. And like I said, it should just keep the battery nice and fresh so that when we come back, we don't have to worry about dead batteries. You got these two alligator clips. All you gotta do is just plug it in like so. There you go. And make sure that this is in full sun or direct sun, and you're good to go. This is a ridiculously easy way to set this up. This one just goes right to the positive, so you make sure it says a positive right there. This one goes to the negative, and this one just points towards the sun. And once it points towards the sun, you are good to go. So if you have a battery that just sits forever, whether it's a car, whether it's a truck, an RV, or a motorcycle, this is just gonna keep it charged with nothing but the sun. Perfect for when you're storing it away from the house in a field or a storage bay or whatever like that. If that's your use case, this is gonna fit that perfectly.